if the mass of neutron is assumed to be half of its original value and that of proton is assumed to be twice of its original value, and we need to find out the atomic mass of this carbon 14. Remember one thing, the various fundamental particles present in an atom are the electrons, protons and neutrons. As we know that the mass of an electron is negligible, so that is the reason why almost no need to consider the mass of the electron while we are calculating the atomic mass of the element. So when we say the word atomic mass, it is the sum of the mass of all the protons and neutrons only, and that is the one when we are considering the mass of electron as negligible. So here it is given 6C14. This is the atomic number and this is the mass number. And from the atomic number we get the number of protons, which is nothing but equal to 6. And we know how to calculate number of neutrons. It is nothing but by the formula A minus Z, mass number minus atomic number. So that is 14 minus 6, which is equal to 8. So 6 protons are there and 8 neutrons are there. Now according to this assumption given in the numerical, the mass of these 6 protons now becomes equal to 12. Why? Because we need to assume that the mass became twice of its original value. Similarly, the mass of these 8 neutrons become 4, because we need to assume that the mass of the neutron became half of its original value. So now the total mass, this is equal to 16, and what was the original one? It is 14. So definitely I can say that there is an increase in mass, isn't it? So the increase in mass is nothing but equal to difference between these two, the original one and the assumed one, and that value is equal to 2. And how can we calculate the percentage increase in mass? It is nothing but the increase in mass, that is 2, upon the original mass, which is 14, multiplied by 100. This is nothing but the percentage increase in mass, and on solving this you will be getting the value as 14.28%. So it is not 14.28% less, it is 14.28% more, because here it is increase in mass. So our answer is option A.